All English Podcast.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to All English Podcast. I'm Sarah, and today we're talking about something we all do every single day, but not always in English.
Yeah, we're learning how to talk about your day naturally. Because let's be honest, most learners say the same thing. I woke up. I ate breakfast. I went to work. And it sounds kind of boring.
Exactly. But you can make it sound real and interesting just by adding a few small details. Okay, let's start from the morning. How do you usually talk about your morning in English?
I could say I usually get up around 8. I check my phone first, which is a terrible habit. Then I make coffee and listen to music while getting ready.
Perfect. It's short but personal. You used it I usually. That's great for sounding natural.
What about you?
I wake up around 7, make tea, and write my to-do list for the day. I like starting slow. It helps me stay calm.
That sounds peaceful. Mine sounds like chaos.
It's okay. Everyone has their own vibe.
Okay, so what about during the day? People usually say, I go to work or I go to school. But that's too simple.
Right. You can say something like, I spend most of my day at the office, working on projects and answering emails, but I always take a break around noon to grab a coffee with my coworkers.
Or I'm a student, so I spend a lot of time in classes and studying. But between lessons, I like talking with friends or watching short videos to relax.
Perfect. That shows your real life, not just actions.
Now the evening, my favorite part. I usually say, after work I go to the gym or cook dinner. Then I watch a show or play guitar before bed.
That's great. You're mixing activities and personality. I could say, after dinner, I go for a walk and listen to podcasts. Sometimes in English, sometimes in Turkish. Then I journal about my day before sleeping.
So basically, your evening is calm and productive. And mine is Netflix and snacks.
That's fine. We all need balance. So here's the trick. Don't just list what you did. Add small comments or feelings. Like, it was such a busy day, or I felt so tired but proud.
Yeah! For example, work was crazy today, but I finished a big project. Or I met an old friend. It totally made my day.
That's it. Add emotion. It makes your English sound alive.
Okay, how can people practice this?
Try this simple exercise every night. Record yourself talking about your day for 1 minute. Don't worry about mistakes. The goal is to speak naturally, not perfectly.
You'll be surprised how much more confident you sound after just 1 week.
Exactly. And you can use this in small talk, online classes, or even with English-speaking friends.
So, what's your day like? Tell us in the comments, or record your own My Day in English.
And don't forget, subscribe, share, and practice a little English every day. See you next time on All English Podcast.